good morning.
Good morning.
And your name is?
Darlene Redline.
And how old are you?
80.
And we have permission to videotape you and place you on Facebook or the internet?
Yes, you do.
And I spoke to your daughter and she said that was fine as well. So a couple weeks ago, you were at another hospital and you were placed on the breathing machine on life support for a couple days.
Yes, I was.
And you were able to get off of that. That was from heart failure.
Yes.
And at that time, the question was about heart surgery. And what did they tell you?
That they didn't think it was necessary.
They didn't think it was necessary, but you were still feeling pretty bad. I mean, you were on life support. And your daughter did what? She started doing...
she started searching for a good surgeon and somebody that would look at my case and take care of me.
Okay.
And she was successful. There you are.
Here I am. And just 6 days ago, you underwent triple valve open heart surgery.
Yes.
You had your aortic valve and mitral valve replaced and your tricuspid valve repair and the electrical procedure. And you're going home today.
Yay.
And how do you feel?
I feel good.
Do you have any pain at all?
No, I didn't have pain through the whole thing.
And you're off all oxygen finally,
Yeah,
and
finally.
you feel great, and you're up and around, and you're actually going to stay with your daughter, correct?
Yes, I am.
So you don't even need a rehab center.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we wish you the best of luck. You were absolutely a wonderful patient to take care of.
Thank you for that.
Okay, take care.
And thank your staff for how wonderful they were.
You had a good experience here at Einstein?
Oh my God, yes.
They were wonderful, aren't
The
they?
nurses are all wonderful.
They are wonderful. Okay, well, thank you. And say hello to everybody back home for me.
Okay, and I will.
All right,
Thank
take
you.
care.
Thank you for repairing me.
Thank you. All right, good luck. Bye-bye.
Okay.